If chronic disease has kept you stuck, it is important to understand why. At RestoreBioClinic, we prioritize toxins and infections very highly because they are often major drivers of chronic illness. But we also recognize something that changes the outcomes. Sequence matters. If the body is still trapped in an active cell danger response, it may not properly use its own resources to overcome the tissue changes associated with toxins, infections, persisting spike proteins, and oxidative stress to the cell membranes. In other words, the body may still be focused on survival instead of recovery. That is why, for the best treatment outcomes, busting up the cell danger survival response comes first. And the single most important breakthrough strategy in that process is the introduction of phosphatidylcholine, orally and especially intravenously. Phosphatidylcholine is a correct, functional, and molecularly identical building block that helps repair the cell membranes towards more normal structure. As the membrane structure improves, cell function and mitochondrial function can improve as well. What makes this so important is that it is a passive process. The cells do not have to actively participate at first. They do not have to give up their self-protective survival response before support begins. Instead, the phospholipids are passively transported to the cells and embed in the cellular membranes because of the specific lipophilic nature of the fatty phospholipid tails. That means support can begin without requiring permission from the body's self-preservation principle. That is why this is such an important breakthrough in overcoming the cell danger response. And that is why we begin with cell stabilization therapy. Our cell stabilization therapy is a precision medicine approach using targeted nutrients, phospholipid IV, and oral therapy to help stabilize the cell, repair the membrane, reduce the danger signal, and make the body more responsive to healing.